Which is right for you, Grammarly or ProWritingAid? Grammarly. Pros. Ease of use. Grammarly has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. Its clean design and intuitive features make it accessible to users of all skill levels. Real-time grammar and spelling checks. It provides real-time feedback as you type, which is beneficial for catching errors on the fly. Writing style suggestions. Grammarly offers advanced writing style suggestions, helping you to improve the readability and tone of your writing. Integration. It integrates seamlessly with various platforms, including web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and even email clients. Plagiarism checker. The premium version includes a plagiarism checker that scans your text against billions of web pages. Browser extension. The browser extension is particularly useful for checking grammar and spelling across different sites like social media, email, and web forms. Cons. Cost. Grammarly can be more expensive than some of its competitors, which may not be suitable for users on a tight budget. Limited customization. While Grammarly is excellent for general purposes, it offers limited customization options for specific writing styles or genres. Privacy concerns. Some users have expressed concerns over the data privacy policies of Grammarly, as it requires access to the text you are writing. ProWritingAid. Pros. Detailed analysis. ProWritingAid provides an in-depth analysis of your writing, offering detailed reports on style, grammar, readability, overused words, sentence length, and more. Customization. It offers more customization options than Grammarly, allowing users to tailor the software to their writing style or genre. Affordability. ProWritingAid is generally more affordable, offering lifetime licenses and more budget-friendly subscription plans. Integrations. It integrates well with popular writing tools like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Scrivener, and even OpenOffice. Educational focus. ProWritingAid provides a more educational approach, offering detailed explanations for its suggestions, which can help improve your writing skills over time. Contextual thesaurus. It includes a contextual thesaurus that helps you find the right word and improve your vocabulary. Cons. User interface. The interface can be overwhelming for some users due to the sheer number of features and detailed reports. Performance. ProWritingAid can be slower, especially with longer documents, which might affect workflow efficiency. Real-time checking. While it does offer real-time checking, it's not as seamless or fast as Grammarly's real-time suggestions. Conclusion. Which is best for you? Grammarly is ideal if it would help if you had a straightforward, user-friendly tool for everyday writing tasks. You value real-time suggestions and need a reliable grammar and spelling checker. You work across multiple platforms and need seamless integration with various tools. You can afford the higher subscription costs and value the convenience it offers. ProWritingAid is ideal if you want a more in-depth analysis of your writing, to improve your skills over time. You need detailed feedback on style, structure, and readability. You prefer a more customizable tool tailored to specific writing genres. You are looking for a more affordable option with a comprehensive set of features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. If you prioritize ease of use and real-time checking, Grammarly is the way to go. If you want detailed feedback and more customization, ProWritingAid is the better option. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, and check my links below.